let's take a look at these Arduino kits. This is the most expensive one. This is the official Arduino Starter Kit. And then ordered this Elegoo from Amazon. This is a cheap kit from Amazon. So it's an Elegoo board instead of the official board, but it should have lots of good stuff in it. So let's take a look. So let's start with the official board. As you can see, so there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. So there's a nice colour projects book. Thank you card. So this is the Arduino Uno. That's the important part, really. Got a little servo motor. Bunch of electronics components. So I've got LEDs in there, we've got resistors, a couple of ICs, some snap-off plastic parts. This is the breadboard. We'll be looking at that in the first lesson. USB cable, very important. Got an LCD, and then some pop-out cardboard pieces. So let's have a dig into what's in this. So we've got various resistors there. Those are the ones that we're going to use the most, the 220 ohm. Got a nut. What have we got here? This is a good one. Motor driver. Buzzer. Buttons. Is that a MOSFET? Battery snap. I'll have to look at the parts list. My eyes aren't good enough to read some of these things. So that's the official kit. Let's see what this so-called clone kit looks like. One thing you see straight away is it shows you exactly what's in here. I guess this might... So this has it all on the back. So there's a little card here with QR codes for the various sites. A disc, which I'll not be looking at. Wires. That's important. The jumper wires, there's a whole bunch of different colours in there. Was there some in here? Oh, breadboard and jumper wires, there is some in here. So there's some jumper wires, but also there's the little staple kind, which is quite neat for the breadboard. I'll end up using those. So a whole bunch of those. USB cable, LCD screen, and it's the one that you have to put all the pins in rather than the one with the IC. Remote, that'll be cool. It's the joystick. Stepper motor. .330 ohm resistors. I think that's a selection. Battery. Male to female. Jumper wires. Little fan attachment for the motor. That's a longer breadboard. See the difference? That's the Elegoo Uno. The prototyping shield with a little breadboard on. LEDs. Some buttons. I think that's a light sensor. Is that a shift register? Battery. Ultrasonic distance sensor. Little hub motor. Little 9-gram Hobby's servo. Stepper driver. Breadboard power adapter. Segment LCD. Temperature and humidity sensor. Infrared sensor, I'm guessing. It's a solid state relay, I believe. And potentiometer. Yeah. Cool. So that is a very comprehensive kit. Wow. Considering this was half the price of this. This is packaged nicer and more professional, and it's got a nice big fat book. But I think this is more valuable, don't you? Let's see how they work in operation. That's the real trick. So, as long as we've got the Uno and USB cable, we can do some good stuff. We'll have to see in depth what is in here and compare. Can't wait to get started.